Say goodbye to stuffy nose with these DIY remedies. Dealing with a stuffy nose can be uncomfortable and frustrating, whether it's caused by a cold, allergies, sinus infection, or even nasal polyps. A blocked nose can make breathing difficult and disrupt your daily routine. Luckily, there are simple and effective DIY remedies you can try at home to find relief. Let's explore these easy solutions that can help you breathe freely again. 1. Steam inhalation. A time-tested remedy. Steam inhalation is one of the quickest ways to relieve nasal congestion. The warm steam helps loosen mucus and reduces swelling in your nasal passages. How to do it? Boil water and pour it into a large bowl. Add a few drops of eucalyptus, peppermint, or tea tree oil for added benefits. Cover your head with a towel and lean over the bowl, inhaling the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Pro tip: repeat this 2 to 3 times a day for the best results. 2. Saline nasal rinse. Cleanse your nose naturally. Using a saline solution to rinse your nasal passages is a safe and effective way to clear mucus, allergens, and irritants. How to do it? Mix 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of baking soda in 2 cups of warm, sterilized water. Use a neti pot or squeeze bottle to gently pour the solution into one nostril while tilting your head sideways. Allow it to flow out of the other nostril. Pro tip: perform this rinse once or twice daily for clear nasal passages. 3. Turmeric and honey. A powerful anti-inflammatory duo. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a natural remedy for nasal congestion. Combined with honey, it soothes your nasal passages and reduces swelling. How to use? Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of honey. Consume this mixture daily, preferably in the morning. Pro tip: you can also add turmeric to warm milk or tea for added benefits. 4. Stay hydrated. Thin out the mucus. Drinking plenty of fluids helps keep mucus thin and makes it easier to drain from your nose and sinuses. What to drink? Warm water. Herbal teas, like ginger, chamomile, or peppermint. Clear broths or soups. Pro tip: avoid caffeine and alcohol, as they can dehydrate you and worsen congestion. 5. Ginger tea. Nature's decongestant. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. A warm cup of ginger tea can soothe your throat and help clear a blocked nose. How to make it? Grate a small piece of ginger and boil it in a cup of water. Add honey and lemon juice for taste and extra benefits. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day. 6. Carom seeds, ajwain, vapors, a traditional remedy. Carom seeds, also known as ajwain, are known for their strong aroma, which can help clear nasal blockages. How to use? Heat a handful of carom seeds in a pan until they release an aroma. Place them in a cloth and inhale the vapors. Pro tip: you can also add carom seeds to boiling water for steam inhalation. 7. Castor oil drops. A soothing solution. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that may help shrink nasal polyps and reduce congestion. How to use? Warm a few drops of castor oil. Using a dropper, place 1 to 2 drops in each nostril. Pro tip: consult a healthcare professional before trying this remedy, especially if you have existing nasal conditions. 8. Warm mustard oil massage. Improve circulation. Mustard oil is a natural remedy that improves blood circulation and relieves nasal congestion. How to use? Warm some mustard oil and massage it gently around your nose and sinuses. You can also apply a small amount inside your nostrils for immediate relief. Pro tip: be cautious if you have sensitive skin or allergies to mustard oil. 9. Essential oils. Aromatherapy for clear breathing. Essential oils like peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus are known for their decongestant and soothing properties. How to use: add a few drops of essential oil to a diffuser or a bowl of hot water. Inhale the aroma to clear your nasal passages. Pro tip: never apply essential oils directly to your skin without diluting them. 10. Avoid triggers. Protect your nose sometimes. Prevention is the best cure. Dust, pollution, and sudden weather changes can trigger nasal congestion. What to do? Use an air purifier at home to reduce allergens. Wear a mask when cleaning, traveling, or exposed to dust and pollutants. Keep your home clean and free of dust mites. Pro tip: identify and avoid specific triggers like strong perfumes, pet dander, or smoke. 11. Elevate your head while sleeping. Lying flat can worsen nasal congestion, as mucus can pool in your sinuses. Elevating your head while sleeping helps drain mucus and reduces blockages. How to do it? Use an extra pillow or prop up the head of your bed slightly. Pro tip: avoid over-elevating, as it might strain your neck or back. 12. Warm compress. Soothe sinus pressure. A warm compress can help relieve sinus pressure and reduce inflammation. How to use: soak a clean towel in warm water, wring out the excess, and place it over your nose and cheeks. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Pro tip: repeat this remedy 2 to 3 times daily for optimal relief. 13. Basil and honey mixture. A healing tonic. Basil leaves have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making them a great remedy for nasal congestion. How to use: crush fresh basil leaves and mix the juice with honey. Consume this mixture daily to reduce inflammation and clear your sinuses. Final thoughts: a stuffy nose can disrupt your day, but with these simple DIY remedies, you can find quick and effective relief. The best part? These methods use natural ingredients that are safe and easy to find. However, if your congestion persists for more than a week or worsens, it's important to consult a healthcare professional to rule out serious conditions like chronic sinusitis or severe nasal polyps. Try these remedies today and say goodbye to nasal congestion for good. Ka.